Alright, just wanted to show everyone this center hole drill guide jig that I made. It's 3D printed. I have tapped, if you can see them, tapped holes as well as smooth bore 5/8 holes in my drill press top. So, just plop it in there, put that on that side, that on that side, clamp it down, try to stay in focus. There we go. Little blob of oil. Alright. There we go. So I needed to drill holes in the center of these squares, and I have 20 squares that I need to drill. So I needed to get it directly in the center. So I made a 3D printed jig, and it has worked out really well. I think I maybe have spent, here we are, 15 minutes cutting, drilling these holes. And there it is. Well, yep, and there you go. Nice centered hole, clean on both sides, and we got a bunch of them.